The real estate market can be a complex and ever-changing landscape, so understanding and having up-to-date metrics is crucial for both buyers and sellers. Today, we will explore the latest stats that have come in from last month and the correlation between several important real estate figures to help you make informed decisions and get on track with your real estate goals. What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here with the Property Track team at RE/MAX Metro, bringing you another exciting info-packed real estate market update for the Tampa Bay area. So sit right back and let's dive in for the stats for September 2023. Let's first take a look at the greater MLS stats. Our active listings are coming in at 43,731 active listings as of the end of September. This is up 9% from last month and up 3% from this time last year. New listings remain unchanged from last month, coming in at 19,468 active new listings as of the end of September. This is up 13% from this time last year. Pending sales, which are properties that were under contract at the end of September, are in at 15,694 pending sales. This is down 14% from last month and down 3% from September of last year. Our sold listings is coming in at 14,317 sold listings. This is down 5% from last month and up 12% from this time last year. Looking now at our average days on market, we are coming in at 41 days on market. This remains unchanged from last month, but is up 64% from last year. The average sales price is coming in at $457,802, relatively unchanged from last month, but up 7% from this time last year. And our month supply of inventory is coming in at 3.1 for September, up slightly from August, and is about the same from this time last year being 3.3 months of inventory. If we look at the current active listings and new listings respectively, we do see an increase in the supply of marketable properties. This is further indication regarding the supply and potential options available to buyers. Our active listings come in at 4,233 as of the end of September, and the new listings come in at 2,178, with both metrics being up from last month. Shifting now to our pending listings at the end of September, the number of properties under contract at the end of the month is down 13.4% from last month, coming in at 1,607 listings under contract. While a decrease generally indicates reduced buyer activity in a market, there could be numerous factors that impact the number of homes going under contract, including economic uncertainties, interest rate, seasonal fluctuations, etc. It's best to look at this metric alongside other figures to get a complete picture of the market's health. Lastly, let's examine the total sales volume for September. There's a 3.5% increase from last month. This may indicate growing buyer activity and demand. It can also suggest that more properties are being sold, which may be due to factors like favorable interest rates, increased consumer confidence, or a competitive market. This could potentially lead to rising property values and a more active market overall. It's important for buyers and sellers to monitor these trends alongside other metrics to make informed decisions in the real estate market. Let's look at the month supply of inventory, which currently stands at 2.9 and just shy of 3 months. This figure represents the number of months it would take for all available homes on the market to be sold at the current sales pace. The lower number generally indicates a seller's market, where demand exceeds supply, leading to potentially higher prices. Now let's consider the 12-month change in month supply of inventory, which has seen a significant increase of 126.56%. This indicates a shift in the market dynamics over the past year. The substantial rise in inventory suggests that more homes are entering the market compared to the previous year. This shift could potentially favor buyers, as increased supply may lead to more competitive pricing. Next, we have the days homes are on the market, which currently stands at 19 and is up 11.8% from last month. This metric represents the average number of days it takes for a home to go under contract once it's listed. A lower number suggests a faster paced market, indicating high demand and potentially multiple offers. Conversely, a higher number could indicate a slower market, where buyers may have more time to consider their options. Now, let's turn to the sold pricing, which currently stands at $415,000. Understanding the sold price provides insight into the overall price range of homes in the market. It can help both buyers and sellers gauge the pricing trends and determine fair values for their respective transactions. Moving on, Let's examine the correlation between these metrics. The increase in the month's supply of inventory suggests a higher supply of homes, which is further supported by the substantial rise in the 12-month change in months of inventory. This increase in inventory may contribute to the lower days on the market as buyers have more options and can act quickly. Lastly, the sold price of $415,000 provides an anchor point for buyers and sellers to understand the general price range of homes being sold. By considering this figure alongside the other metrics, potential buyers and sellers can gain insights into market trends and make more informed decisions. In summary, the real estate market is currently experiencing an increase in inventory, which may favor buyers. However, sellers still have some negotiating power. With sold pricing coming in at $415,000 and homes spending an average of 19 days on the market until placed under contract, it is crucial for both buyers and sellers to carefully analyze these metrics and consult with real estate professionals to navigate the market successfully. If we first look at the current active listings and new listings respectively, we do see an increase in the active supply of inventory for the month of September, while the new listings are down slightly from last month. This paints an image of a larger supply of active listings for buyers to choose from, while the slight decrease of new listings may indicate that some sellers are holding off to assess market conditions and see where other factors are in the market. Our active listings come in at 4,169 as of the end of September, and our new listings come in at 2,267, with active listings being up 13.7%, and the new listings down slightly by 1.1%. Shifting now to our pending listings at the end of September, the number of properties under contract at the end of September is down slightly 5.1% from last month, coming in at 2,353 listings under contract. While a decrease generally indicates reduced buyer activity in the market, there could be numerous factors that impact the number of homes going under contract, including economic uncertainties, interest rates, seasonal fluctuations, etc. It's best to look at the metric alongside other figures to get a complete picture of the market's health. Looking now at the number of sold listings, last month we had 1,682 properties closed. This is down 10.1% from last month. This drop could be resulting from a number of factors such as seasonal fluctuations, changes in the real estate market, or economic conditions affecting buyers and sellers. Moving on, we have the days homes are on the market, which currently stands at 20 days. This metric represents the average number of days it takes for a home to go under contract. With a relatively low number like 20, it indicates a fast-paced market where properties are being snatched up quickly. This might be an encouraging sign for sellers as their homes are not lingering on the market for extended periods. Our sales volume has come in down 13.1% from last month, coming in at $850,386,272. This decrease indicates a decrease in the total value of transactions in the real estate market. Such a decline can include reasons like a decrease in property prices, fewer high-value transactions, or a reduced market activity. It's important to monitor the sales volume over time to assess the health and performance of the real estate market, along with other figures and factors. Now we have the sold price, which currently sits at $399,995. This figure represents the middle point of all the sold prices in the given area. It provides a snapshot of the market's overall pricing trends. Sellers can gauge whether their listing price aligns with the median, while buyers can use this information to understand the price range they can expect for properties in this market. Now let's look at our month's supply of inventory metric, which currently stands at 2.42 months supply of inventory. This figure represents the number of months it would take to sell all the available homes on the market if no new homes were to be added. A lower number indicates a seller's market, where demand surpasses supply, often leading to competitive bidding and potentially higher prices. Alternatively, if we look at the 12-month change in months of inventory, we see a significant increase of 48.47%. This jump suggests that the market is becoming more balanced with a possible shift towards a buyer's market. Buyers might have more options to choose from, potentially resulting in less competition and more negotiating power. In summary, we can see that the stats indicate a strong seller's market still, but there is some increase in the inventory that gives buyers plenty of options. The market remains competitive, with properties selling relatively quickly and close to their listing prices. With a median sold price of $399,995, both buyers and sellers can use this information to make informed decisions about their real estate transactions. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the active, pending, and sold listings in our market. So there you have it, the latest on the real estate market here in Tampa Bay for September 2023. Connect with us here at Property Track for a tailored consultation that will empower you to make informed decisions. We'll be your trusted guide as you navigate this thrilling real estate market and work with you to accomplish your real estate goals. Kickstart your selling journey by simply visiting our website at propertytracking.com/sellmyhome to request a free comprehensive property valuation and market analysis for your property and get all the latest numbers for your area. Or tell us about your ideal home and let us help you pinpoint the right one for you. Need help with property management? We have that too. Whatever your real estate needs, we have the tools and resources to help you make an informed decision and get on track to meeting your real estate goals. Remember, we are here to support you every step of the way. Until our next meeting, stay well and may your real estate endeavors be fruitful.